Hello guys, and welcome to my channel Tech. What I want to show you today is how to see your past Facebook notification. Your past year's Facebook notification is actually on Facebook, so you make sure you go to your Facebook app. So after you have logged in, you click on this parallel line at the top here. So you scroll down to settings. You scroll down, you click on activity log. You can see now these are actually your present notification. That's that's the present notification. But if you want to view your notification of past years, like my own, I opened my Facebook account in 2016, so let's view my past years Facebook notification and other activity logs. So click on 2016. So you can see the notification there. So you click on December 2016. You can see that is here is 2017 now. You can see November 2017. You can see the notification you have in November, like in October 2017. You can see. So these are your past years Facebook notification. You can go back also and click on this 2018. So you can see these are the activity log, my notification. So you can click from January to December 2018 of all the notification you have. You can be able to view them back. So if you can click in this 2019, and more so on this activity log is divided into sections. So you can click on this arrow pointing down on the filter here. You click on it, you can see. If you want to see all, you can see all. Post you are tagged in, like photos and videos. Photos only. Let's click on photos only now. So you can see for this month, you can see. So I updated my profile picture. So you can see. So if you go back to your listening again, the activity log also again, you click on the activity log, then you click on filter. So you can click on anything here, like the friends you removed, the friends you add, the song you listen to, the articles you read, movies and TV you watch, and all those games you played and all other things. You can actually view them on the activity logs there, even though they are not actually existing in your own your own viewing there. So you can actually see all of them here, like the stories, your stories here, and also many other things, like all the posts, for example. You can see the post, all the posts I posted. You can see. So you can actually view all your things in the activity log here, and that's that about the activity log. So if you actually enjoyed this video and want to continue getting more tech Facebook videos like this, you have to click on the subscribe button down there below for you to get notified of our next video.